My name's Jacob, and I am currently doing testosterone replacement therapy at Revival Wellness Clinic. I just turned 40 years old. My day-to-day life is very active. I'm in the manufacturing and welding trade. An avid bow hunter. I have a 12-year-old daughter that we're very active, our whole family, as we like to go out on hiking and exploring. I do weight training as well. Try to keep in really good shape. So I still modify my diet, depending on how my body's feeling, but I eat healthy, I exercise to really try to mitigate how I was feeling and isolate what was going on. The main thing was really low energy levels, along with not being able to sustain muscle mass like I used to. Noticing, packing on extra weight in my midsection. Sarah was concerned because I was a quarter of what she likes to see her male patients at for levels, which would explain all of my symptoms. First thing I noticed was how cleanly and modern the building was. Really good vibe in here. Sarah is very professional, very easy to talk to. Probably a month to 6 weeks, I really noticed a difference in my energy levels. And I think since I've been doing replacement therapy, I've lost probably 4 or 5 inches in my waistline. I'm more active with my daughter. We go out and do more things because I have the energy that I should. I would definitely recommend, at least having one set of labs done and have, come in, visit with Sarah and go over your results, because it's not only testosterone levels that she goes over your whole body chemistry. If you're feeling any way off, I think Sarah could definitely figure it out for you.